Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix Grindr registration error. So if you're currently facing that exact error and you want to be able to fix it, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to actually just close your Grindr app completely, and instead you're going to open up your settings app. So go into your settings app and now you should be taken to a page similar to this, as you can see. So scroll down in here and then you're going to click where it says general. So click on general in here, and now you should be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So now what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down a little bit, and then you're going to click on storage, as you can see. So click on storage, and unfortunately sometimes you need to wait a couple of seconds for this page right here to completely load. And now we're just going to scroll down in here, and then you're going to find the Grindr app, of course. So just scroll down. And as you can see, here's the Grindr app. So click on the app, and then you're going to click where it says upload app, and then click on upload app once again, as you can see. And you're just going to wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again. The reason why you need to do this is because, as you can see, it says like this loading on this app right here. So you need to auto update your Grindr app to the latest version. And then when it's done, you're going to go back into your Grindr app and you're going to try once again. This should fix all the bugs that was in the previous version of your Grindr app. So if you had registration error over and over and you couldn't register an account, this is the perfect way to actually fix this, because this is going to be like a new app or like a new updated app. So go back and try again, and I hope that this error is now fixed for you.